The conference has been great. It's been fantastic.
Oh my gosh, life-changing.
I love it. I walked in and was just amazed.
I love it. A lot of great speakers. Everybody's been super inspirational.
There's been so much variety, from people speaking on business to entrepreneurship to health to fitness.
This has exceeded all of our expectations, and we thought we had pretty high expectations.
Great value conversation, great value people, and a great value experience.
Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. You guys do an amazing job.
Great speakers. The food has been amazing.
Everyone is here to collaborate. Everyone is approachable. Everyone's like, how can I help? How can I add value?
Blown away our expectations.
Todd's done a fantastic job.
Don't miss out on this opportunity.
We're looking forward to the next event as soon as we can come back.
I'll make sure to put it on my calendar and come back.
I would love to join you again next year.
We'll absolutely be back for sure.
Where do I sign up?